For the first time, Pinoy Sakuragi Mark Pingris nakalambingan si GP Paundo sa MPBL. Kalagitnaan ng game, tinamaan ng lagnat si Concepcion. Grabe yung hang time ni Roca Curva, pahigpitan ng depensa, block after block. Tindi ng balagbagan sa Pampanga. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Let's not forget.
Extra yan.
Yes.
Pingris finds Lastimosa for two. And quickly to Carlo Lastimosa. A three for Carlo. Book it. Pamboy gets it back. Pamboy to Waray. Finishes on the other side.
Gumamit ng screen to use that screen to slip it. Oh, what a pass.
Chris, nice closeout there by Mark Pingris. Lastimosa gets in the lane and puts Roca Curva. Nice drop off. Blocked by De Leon. Muyang faces up, takes the jumper and knocks through traffic. The no-look pass, Pingris for two.
Larry
Whipping in the corner. CJ Delfino took an extra step. Hindi siya. No, that won't count. Yung layup na yun. As Alcorizo finds Big Boy Hernandez. Inusog si Igilos. Big Boy to Alcoriza. Renz for three. Off the mark. Rebound. Paundo, the spin, and the finish. Natapik ni Bido, recovered by Archie. Archie to GP, the jumper. He rattles that one in. My brother, congratulations. As Archie Suwan. Pajarito, nakapwesto na si Jason Ballesteros. Bing and GP, they're
teammates from last season, right? Sa Pinyang ba?
No, trying to go for the extra pass. Diretso kay Muyang, and Archie will lay it in. They lost a couple na
Magatern State. They've got very good potential, those two guys.
Anim na puntos ang lamang ng Pampanga. Muyang against Big Boy and Larry in the first half, and you know, that is a great pass. Sabi niya, no, wala tayong zero step dito sa ating liga. As Clemente Curva is running, Himpayan is also running. Blocked by Muya. To Lars. Puts the ball on the deck. Back to Jamo. Blocked by Pingris.
Parehong tumatapat din eh.
Waray. Layup. Yes. Nothing there. Roca Curva gets it to Waray. Push shot off the glass. Wait for the official memo.
Abang.
A lot of anticipation. Next dead ball. Clemente down low to Muyang. Oh, nice English rebounds as well.
Dalawang beses na yun sa kabila kinukuha ni Larry.
Big Boy nabitawan ng bola. Quick hands by Fa. Renz Alcoriza plays it for Curva sa gitna. Kenny drives right at Fa. In control.
Oh yes. I see that on Sokme.
Oh. And of course, binyan na Mayor Jel Alonte, but for now, he sits down, plays almost 12 minutes, but has, kung ganyang kabilis maglaro.
Oo, wala na pace.
Oh, Carlo Lastimosa deny. Lastimosa, they go backdoor, Pamboy, and Maestre with a finish. Couple of team fouls already. Arminion. To the rolling Larry Muyang. Kenny drives the middle, attacks. Too strong on the 10 of 17 at the line of Binyan at the hook. 2 for 2. Has it. They go to Himpayan. Pamboy for three. No. Himpayan with a putback. It's a 1-point game. No foul. Wala ng timeout dito yung Pampanga. Let's see what happens here again. They get into Alcoriza. Ball is loose. He's fouled by Himpayan. 6. Muyang. 2 points right now. Larry. 3-point game. Mundo Pingris. Himpayan. Pamboy is free. Carlo will fire. No. Pingris. No go. And Pampanga survives. 60 to 57.